Hey, it's Design Guy here. Want to make an eye-catching birthday flyer? I'll show you the easiest Canva tricks. Click the Create button to start a new project. In the search bar, type Flyer and press Enter. Choose Flyer Gift to narrow down your options. Next, enter Happy Birthday in the template search to filter the results. Browse through the available templates and select the one that suits your needs. Once you've chosen a template, it will open in the design editor, ready for you to customize for your flyer project. Choose any element you like from the options. Then, customize it by editing the design or adjusting the text color to match your preferences for a personalized result. Select the color from the palette. You can apply a gradient effect if you prefer. Additionally, adjust the color to match your design needs by using the available customization options. To use your own image, click the Upload button, then select and upload your image from your computer. Change the name to match the person celebrating the birthday. For example, click the name field, delete the existing text, and type the new name, such as Ground. Then confirm. Add your brand by updating the text field. Enter your own message in the provided area, replacing the default placeholder text. Make sure your custom message appears exactly as you want it displayed in the final output. When you're satisfied with your design, click the Share button, then select Download. If you're working within the entry, make sure to increase the size before downloading to ensure your final file has the best quality possible. Click the Download button to save your file. For the best print results, use the Print option. For professional quality prints, select the MyK option. When you're ready, click Download to complete. Thank you for watching and following this tutorial. Now you can create awesome birthday flyers in Canva. Give it a try! Like and subscribe for more creative tips.